So, yeah, so you remember last week we went grocery shopping, right? And while we were there picking up stuff, we saw a brethren. And so we're kind of thinking about the saltfish, remember?
Yes.
And well, he had a bad idea that that's not the right saltfish to use.
So I don't use
We don't
traditional
use,
saltfish cod.
The ones with the bones and
I find it take too long. I
It's
say I'm not
crazy.
doing that no more.
Yeah.
So I find that the one in the pack works
Works fine.
just fine
Open
and
the
just
pack.
as
Just
tasty.
keep them as done, yeah.
So continue.
Which is what we have always done. Anyway, so he suggested that, well, actually, I saw a big piece of saltfish in a film card. I'm like, wow, man, how do you do that? So I never really bought that kind of saltfish. I just bought it in the pack. So no, man, they insist that we should have tried, and it's alright, but then it's expensive like hell.
Yes,
Right?
because he said
$20 a pound.
$22.
Like,
Yeah, and we're
no
like, oh,
way.
really?
I'm not, I didn't feel like
So
that.
my comment was, I'm not going home to go boil nothing,
Yeah.
scrape it off, none
Yeah.
of that, pick it up.
Yeah.
No, so take too long.
So here's the surprise. While we
Yes.
were waiting at the cashier, he actually was ahead of us.
Yeah.
And lo and behold, man, he got a quarter piece of the saltfish that he was buying for himself and gave it to us. Like, hey, try it when you go home, man, and tell me if it not tastes better than the one on the pack. So, that was really...
We thought it was so kind of him.
But
A
yeah,
kind gesture.
So yeah, I took a couple of days, but I decided I'm gonna try with his saltfish versus my
Yeah.
saltfish. Wow, the saltfish there.
So we're about to show you.
I'm gonna show you the finished product, but
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man, my pack saltfish should have cooked like
Long time.
10-15 minutes, and I finished it. Well, Benjamin,
It looks good though.
this piece of saltfish, it took like about an hour, really, literally. No kidding, I kid you not. It took like
Yes.
pretty much about an hour. So it almost.
That's so long? Really? Okay, see.
You weren't even
I wasn't paying attention. I
was the
busy.
one in the kitchen, remember? So yeah.
So let's show you what
that piece of
the chef
saltfish
did.
turned out to be, and I thought I should let him taste it.
we're going to let you taste. So don't go anywhere. Here it is.
So after all that time, an hour cooking the saltfish, I decided to make it dinner. And here's dinner.
Here we go.
And it looks pretty good.
Plated and
I
all.
let him know that he was kind of right. It does taste.
The flavor is absolutely
It tastes
different.
much better, really. It's a little bit. It's like fish, harder fish.
It is fish. The people must be saying, what on earth?
It's not it is not as soft as
Yes.
the one that we use in the package.
So we had to do a bit of staging here.
Well,
You
it's
know.
presentation. It's gourmet saltfish.
Hello. So enjoy, everyone. Grab your fork, your spoon, drop 2 crackers, your dumpling, boiled or
it's
fried.
The dumplings, really.
Yeah. And because we don't have no dumpling this evening.
I wonder what he would think when he sees this.
Mark is going to say them too.
Okay, Mark, we got you. Thank you, Mark.
Enjoy, everyone. Coming from Hubby's kitchen.
Hubby's cooking.